This year's Eid fashion is all about blending tradition with modern elegance. Designers are experimenting with bold colors, intricate embroidery, and handcrafted embellishments. These small details can transform your entire outfit. Designer spotlight are: one emerging designer to watch this season is Suhaiba Zindani. Their collections range from luxury pret to bridal wear, featuring beautifully embroidered pieces on pure silk fabrics. The silhouettes are elegant, flowy, and perfect for festive occasions. Even better, their price range is relatively affordable, between 10,000 to 30,000 rupees, and they offer worldwide shipping for those celebrating Eid abroad. Another one is Hue Pret, known for their stunning formal and semi-formal collections. Their outfits feature silk and organza fabrics with mirrorwork, pearls, and delicate bead embellishments. Loose silhouettes like kaftans, combined with risham embroidery, make their pieces look effortlessly classy. One is Wear in Seed. Their collections include silk cord sets, straight pants, and tapered shalwar outfits. Using fabrics like shisha silk with organza dupattas, the designs feel both modern and festive. The brand is also gaining popularity among influencers and celebrities, including Sanam Saeed and Hania Amir. Most trending is Zainab Zulfikar offers a premium range of casual, formal, and semi-formal outfits. Their use of raw bamboo silk gives the designs a regal and luxurious look. From stylish kaftans to elegant shararas, their collection works perfectly for both Eid gatherings and special events. They even offer beautiful outfits for kids. Trending pret is Ajra Humayun is known for luxury pret featuring bold colors and wearable designs. Their pieces include intricate hand embroidery and stylish kurtas suitable for festive wear or even everyday elegance. Most of their outfits fall in the 10,000 to 13,000 price range, making them accessible yet stylish. Another promising emerging brand is Zara Noor. With stores in Pakistan and the UAE, their designs include stunning kaftans and kimono-inspired outfits. Their collaborations and new collections are gaining attention, making them a brand to watch this Eid. Last but not least is Sak Atelier. It has become a favorite this season. Their stylish draped sets and co-ord outfits are both modern and elegant. Pieces like the collared linen set and the white cocoa linen set are especially popular and perfect for a sophisticated Eid look. So whether you love classic shalwar kameez, trendy co-ord sets, or elegant kaftans, Eid Fashion 2026 has something for everyone. Trending fabrics include pure silk, organza, and other new cotton variants. Light and flowy fabrics like chiffon are a part of every other outfit. Designers are highlighting handcrafted details like mirrorwork, applique designs, fine thread work, sequins, and gota. Even simple thread embroidery on rich fabrics is making outfits look effortlessly elegant. Small details like tassels and embellishments truly elevate traditional looks this Eid. Accessories and jewelry. No Eid outfit is complete without the right accessories. Classic jhumkas and glass bangles remain a must-have this season. Interestingly, the paranda is making a big comeback, not just for weddings but even casual festive looks. Potli bags and embroidered pouches are also trending, especially when paired with shararas and pashwas. For footwear, people are choosing embellished heels, handwork khusas, embroidered leather flats, and trends can easily upgrade your festive wardrobe. Which designer or style is your favorite for Eid this year? Comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more fashion and lifestyle content.